வணக்கம் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், வெல்கம் டு தேவ் ஷாட்டன் சேனல். இன்றைக்கி நம்ம சேனலில் இங்கிலீஷ் ஜூனியர் 2021 மாடல் கொஸ்டின் பார்க்க போகிறோம். ரெடியாக இருந்துக்கோங்க. ரெடி, ஸ்டார்ட். மிஸ்டர் ஸ்பீக்கர் சார், தேங்க்யூ ஃபார் கிவிங் மீ an opportunity to speak on the budget. The budget presented by the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, who is in charge of the Finance Department, is the budget without new taxes. But at the same time, it is understood that the budget has some indirect taxes which will affect the weaker sections of the society. The slight increase of tax in oil and food item is the impact of the pressure of the Merchants Association. The tax increase will reflect the prices. The merchants will increase the price of the essential commodities. In my view, the government can fix a fair price for the oil items. The edible oils are commonly used by all sections of the people. The palm oil supplied through ration shops to the ration card holders are not sufficient to meet their requirements. Importing of palm oil from other countries is the only sources of supply. In these circumstances, Union government must waive the import tax. There is no doubt that the budget carries some benefits also. The reduction of taxes on the textile items inwelcomeable. The increase in oil price will be a chain of increase in related products. I therefore request the Honorable Chief Minister to make necessary action on this. The next point I wish to point out is about tax evasion. I find that there is lot of evasion of tax by the business community. Taxes collected by the traders from the public are not properly remitted to the government. They prepare take bills and cheating the government is such way. Further, it is reported that some of the commercial tax officers are in support of such traders because they receive bribe from the traders. This short attitude is not good to the government. These people may be watched then and there. Regarding the rural areas development, I welcome the steps taken by the government to improve the living conditions of the people or rural areas. The amount allotted for irrigation and water facilities in the rural areas may be utilized properly. Construction of noon meal centers in the villages is very important. In this budget, a sum of rupees 60 crores has been provided to construct new buildings to accommodate these centers. More funds may be allotted for this work. With these words, I conclude my speech and thank you. Letter from the manager, Kirti Engineering Company, Pune, to Messrs. Preeti Agencies, Chennai, dated 4th May 1994. Dear sirs, we are in receipt of your letter informing about the decline in the sales of our products in Chennai state. We wish to state that our product have a ready merchant in all other state. We are receiving purchase orders from the neighboring states of you, such as Karnataka and Andhra. We feel that there must be some special reason for the low turnover. If you could let us know your method of sales, we will be able to assist you in all possible ways. For your convenience, we are prepared to maintain at our cost a showroom for the display of our products. However, you should give wide publicity through news, papers and television channels to reach the people. In this connection, we would like to inform you that we will bear the advertisement charges. Thanking you, yours faithfully.